Good morning, friends. Here we are again in my lovely kitchen. It's getting cold actually early in the mornings. Happy September to you all, friends. It's becoming cold. I'm shivering. So, friends, I've taken a skillet over here. I have an electrical skillet. I'll be adding 4 cups of water. As you can see, it's 4 cups of water. I'll just add it for boiling it. The skillet was very hot. So I'll add all this water to get it boiling. We'll start from here, friends. So we'll boil the water first. Friends, I have taken 8 cups of water actually. So I poured two big cups of water which I showed you. So it's 2 cups. So friends, I'm opening my freezer now to see what I have in my vegetables so that I can add some veggies over here. Yeah, friends, we found some veggies and I have mixed vegetables. The veggies, I'll be using this premium select mixed vegetables which has beans and peas and carrots and corn. So let's add this, friends. It's becoming hard because I'm recording and I'm holding the phone. So I'm doing the work in one hand. So here I'm adding all the veggies. And frozen veggies are already going to get cooked, so I didn't wash them. They are only frozen. So now, friends, I'll be adding this marinara sauce. It's an onion and basil it has. So I'm adding this like around 1 cup, as you can see, and I like to measure with my eyes itself rather than with the spoon measuring. So I've put like 1/4 cup. So that's more than enough. Now, friends, I'm adding some soya sauce. I hope you can see. It's a soya sauce, just like 2-3 drops. That's enough. So, friends, I have a rack over here which has all the spices in it. I'll be adding a little of Italian spices, Italian seasoning. So, it will give a good flavor. Not a lot, just sprinkle a bit. I hope you guys can see me well. Today it's hard that I'm recording and cooking, so it's hard kind of thing. I've not put my tripod, and now I have some thyme. As you all can see, thyme. I'll put this as a seasoning. Friends, yesterday did you all enjoy my cleaning of my stove top? I hope you all liked it. Now, friends, I have some rosemary. I hope you guys can see it over here too. So I'm adding this little, everything you just need to add just to give a little flavor so that the kiddos don't feel that the noodles are plain or the pasta is plain. I'll be cooking some pasta today. So let's see what else can I add. So we'll add some bay leaves, friends, in this winter, and now that the weather is changing, bay leaves also have a very good important immunity booster, so we can do that also. And there's crushed mint, and mint is very refreshing, friends. One day I'll do a mint toner for the face, so please keep watching my videos and there'll be lots of good videos coming up. So friends, this is how it looks after everything, all the spices. You can see all the spices being on the top. Can you see, friends? So everything is got into a nice boil. So we'll just stir it once and we'll add our whole wheat pasta. Here is my whole wheat pasta. As you all can see, this is whole wheat pasta. It's a rotni. It's a whole grain durum wheat, so very good. And see the color of this pasta, friends, rotini. It is all whole wheat, so it's very good whole grain. So let's add it, friends. I'll add I've added the whole packet, so I have nothing left out, so it's all empty. So we'll just give it a good stir and we'll keep it for a boil. Cover the lid on the top. So here, friends, how did you like my nail polish? I love this color so much. Now friends, let's cover up this one and keep it for some minutes to get it good boil. So friends, it's halfway done. It is almost halfway done, and it's almost cooked up well. It's no more raw. We'll give it some more minutes for this water to get absorbed. Oh, it's got cooked so well. See how colorful it looks, friends, with all the veggies, with all the corn and carrots. Lovely. It looks delicious. So friends, now I removed the lid. This is how it looks at the final stage. So it looks so good and everything looks cooked. Everything is now sticking to the pan. I'll just off it now. I'll just off my plug. I'll just remove it because I love my electrical skillet so much. It's a one pot dish which I made today. So everything was done in only one pot. So friends, see this. Did you all like it? I hope you all liked it, and you'll try to do more of pot dishes, and it saves time and saves a lot of things which you can get other times to do something else. So friends, I hope you all liked it. I'll just cover up this lid. I love this Copper Chef. If you guys want to, Copper Chef electrical pan, friends, if you like it, it just takes one plug to get on and off. So I usually just on it and off it with this plug. I love this Copper Chef so much. It's a nice electrical skillet which I mostly do all my cooking in this. See friends, how nice steamy it looks. Wow, it looks delicious. So I hope friends you all liked it. So friends, I hope you all liked my early morning breakfast which I did it for the kiddos so that they can just study and just eat when they are hungry, and it lasts me for the whole day kind of thing, and I don't like to have leftovers food, so it'll finish off in lunch and brunch kind of thing. So hope you all liked it, friends, and if you have liked it, like it, share it and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till the next time I make another video. Lots of love. Love you all. Bye. So friends, it's cooked and it looks all delicious. Have friends.